What's up, everybody? It's about 45 degrees out here today, but y'all get that old pesky low beam light, high beam headlight on the T680. I will tell you, so these harnesses are known. If you drove one for a while or had one for very long, you probably already know that they're like that. So I'm just going to show you a few things to check. If you're having one and you replace the bulb and it don't actually work, if you're replacing the bulb and the light's not coming on, then obviously you got a power issue. First of all, check J2 and J3 fuse. But you've checked them and you know you're not getting power to the light. What I would do is start looking in these areas. While I got y'all here, man, if y'all get anything out of these videos, man, like and subscribe. Comment, throw a comment out there. I mean, you want to help this channel grow a little bit because the algorithm is kicking me down. But I'm just out here trying to help people, and that's what I'm out here doing, like an owner operator. I mean, just trying to do what I do. So I'd appreciate any likes. Like I said, I know it's hard for y'all truckers to hit the like and subscribe button while you're driving down the road, but you know, next stop, hit me up. So right in here where the hood closes, they rub in here, they rub right there. On this model, the plug's right there, but they rub there as well on this side. They'll rub in there. Start looking for rub connections if you're not getting power. But where the most critical is, there's several different areas that's rubbed, but it's down here right in front of the radiator. Basically what they do is they take and bundle this wire up because it's too long. So I'm down here searching for a wire, and it was this one that I was looking for. This was the one that was broke. But in the process of searching, I found several other ones broke. There's another one nicked right there. I might have nicked that one, taking the wrap off. But yeah, all these right here nicked up. So there's another one. But like I say, it's down here in the corner right here at the frame on the T680. Just about all the models that I've worked on, it's right here. So you can definitely look here. But like I said, the most common areas are usually right where this hood shuts at. Right here, they start rubbing in these areas. This one's a little newer than the ones I usually work on, but they're known for rubbing right in these areas right here where the hood shuts down. But like I said, so if you look right here, it's gonna be right here is where I found it all. So this right here, so this basically just sits up here. Anyways, I'll get it in a second. This usually sits up here like this, and that's where that connector plugs into. And then they wrap that wire over top. It actually comes up over top of here, and they'll bundle all that up down there, and it's just rubbing the sidewalls.